Hey guys, it's Jamila here. How's it going? Look at my hair. I've got sleeping rollers in, but for some reason like one side's disappeared. Anyway, today I'm going to do a very quick tutorial on the new bits I got from Pat McGrath. I've gone for a creamier base today just because I went to the Makeup by Mario masterclass and he inspired me to be creamier, which sounds gross. But yeah. So what I did, I've got Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in, I think it's Golden Almond. Yes, Golden Almond, 6.75. And I've also got the Hourglass Warm Almond Foundation Stick. I kind of mixed both because I'm getting really pale, not pale obviously, but like a lot lighter. Because it's like the sun doesn't come, like it keeps coming, like it peeks its head out, but it doesn't like truly come. So in the meantime, I'm having to actually lighten my Bobbi Brown stick, which was originally the right size. What is this? So yeah, anyway, I mixed those two together. On my brows, I've got Anastasia Brow Wiz, which I also got from the Makeup by Mario masterclass goodie bag. I'm gonna go through like most of it soon. I'm gonna do a tutorial on what I learned from Mario. But I also learned to try more creamier bases. It makes you look a bit more radiant. So I'm trying to be different. Today I'm wearing a very subdued palette, very black. I'm gonna wear a big oversized blazer with giant shoulder pads, just to kind of bring this together and give it a bit of 90s sauciness. So without further ado, I don't know what I'm talking about. Without further ado, I'm gonna get into it. Let's start this. I've lined my lips with a mixture of matte chestnut, and then I forgot that I was doing a Pat McGrath video. So like, I got my Pat McGrath lip liner out, which I think is called Chocolate. Yes. So I put that on top of the chestnut, which probably wasn't really what I was trying to do here, but hey. On my nose, I've slightly contoured very gently with the Fenty Beauty matte stick in Espresso, I think it's called, Espresso. Yeah, I used the NARS Soft Matte concealer, the one that's solid under my eyes, because it's creamy, I'm trying to be creamier, but also I do find that it does crease more than my favorite MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. So I've got a lot, as you guys know, a lot of Pat McGrath. I've got the palette, I've got the mascara, I've got lip liners, lip glosses, lipsticks. I think I've shown you pretty much bits of all of them in either videos dedicated to Pat or other videos that I just can't help but use her in. So I'm gonna only use, well, apart from the things I've already used, I'm only gonna use the two products I have never used. Is that true? Yes. So I went to Selfridges, I went to the Mothership pop-up in Selfridges, which I think you guys saw that I did a video on it where I got a very blue eyeshadow look. Surprisingly enough, I didn't get it, just not because it didn't look good and not because she didn't do a good job, but it was a lot. Anyway, so she did her thing, I bought my thing. So I got the, what did I get? This one is called Rose Venus, and it's actually more of a pinky nude, and I would never normally go for a color like this. But I swatched it on my hand and I really did quite like it. I don't know if it's because I was wearing like a really beige t-shirt and so I was like kind of washy, outy. That looked good. So I'm gonna try it in black, see if it still looks good. Hopefully it does, because they're not cheap. They're not that expensive. I think they're like 20 something pounds, which for Pat McGrath isn't too bad. She's definitely up in the high luxury end of makeup. Like, I don't know if she's as crazy as Tom Ford. I don't know, that's debatable. Tom Ford's lipsticks are like 38, actually, yeah, I think. Anyway, so this is the packaging. I love the packaging. It's got like, it comes in a little bag of sequins, which is very cute. And it's got like the sticker that's like from the lab. It's very makeup artisty, very cosmetic scientist, very official, which I do really like. Only reason I haven't opened it is because it's got sequins in it and they're gonna go everywhere. And I didn't want to do it before I did the video. This is the first single eyeshadow she's ever done. The packaging is gorgeous. It's got like a clear section. I don't know if you can see it, but it's super chic. So I'm gonna unstick the sticker and get started. I'm a bit nervous because I hope this color will still look good. I don't know if it will. Like, it was a while ago I tried it, for like a week. It just go. It's like proper like gaffer taped on. It's really difficult. So I don't know whether to put anything underneath, but after my MAC one that I did recently, I think I'm just gonna let it be. And I'm gonna use my fingers, because I found with the Pat McGrath eyeshadows that fingers are always good. Okay, so that's it with my finger. Whenever I'm doing a video, it seems like Ariana Thank You Next comes on. Like, I swear I play other songs. I'll show you a swatch on my hand. This is what I saw in the shop. It's like, oh, hello, sexy. That was my eyeshadow. I really like this pigment. I think it's super rich. And I've actually wet my hand and it's still kind of showing, which is awesome. It's super molten and yeah, it's super molten. It's really metallic, which I really like, and I think it's something you can use kind of all year round, like with a tan. I think it would look amazing in summer, and then in winter for like party season if you're feeling very chic. So I definitely want to get more of these. I just don't know which colours I'm going to go for. I don't think I'll go for blue, but I don't know which ones I'm going to go for. So next and last, the only thing else that I haven't really tried from Pat McGrath or bought from Pat McGrath, apart from maybe the eyeliner, which I do need to get, the pencil. This came in this very Pat McGrath paper. It's very arty, she's artistic. Is in their actually it's a copy of that, which also you get in the lipstick as well. This one is the highlight balm. So as you guys probably know, I've got the powder, the triple powder which comes in like gold, pink and bronze gold. So I got the balms, which everyone says are amazing, but I don't normally wear creamy products. But as I'm creamy now, he does stop saying that. As I'm creamy now, I decided to get the balm. This is the bronze balm. There are 3, so I think it's the same. It's not the same. It's like pretty much like icy metallic. No, it's like icy, like light gold and then bronze gold. So I got bronze gold. I think that's right. I might be right. I got bronze gold. It came in the same, like a large version of what the lipstick comes in. It's got 2 sides. So on one side you get, not that side. On one side you get the balm, which is clear. This is really nice packaging. It feels very like substantial. So this is the balm side. And then on the other side, oh, so luxurious. It feels like Tom Ford. And then on the other side you've got the highlighter, which is the bronze one. So what I'm gonna do, I'll do a quick swatch of both and then I'll put them on my face. So this is that's the bronze highlight without the balm. So I think the balm basically gives it more of an edge. And then this is the balm. Oh, it's so soft. You can't really see the balm, it's clear. But the balm is very silky, very chic. So I'm gonna apply a bit of the balm. Also, I'm gonna go back and do a bit of liner and stuff. I'm gonna apply a bit of the balm on my cheek. Oh, I've messed up my balm already. Okay, where do I want the highlight? Okay, that was the balm. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. This is definitely a summer product for sure. Oh, it's nice. It's very glowy. So that's one side. Now I kind of know what it does. I'm going to do the other side. I've used less balm. Actually, I'll use a bit more. Should I do the middle? Isn't that insane? Okay, that was balm. I think I'm going to have to clean the balm somehow. I think this would be good also if you don't want a makeup day and you just want sheen. Like, I'm going to try that. Okay, that's a balm. Highlight going over the balm. It feels really soft and silky and nice. Okay, I think that's a bit better now. I've mastered it. But now I put the balm on my neck, the balm on my nose. I need to highlight my nose with this. It really isn't scary at all. I was really scared to use this. I thought it would be like a lot messier, but it's not at all. It's really nice. So that's the highlight balm. I've got a spot or 2. Where did that one come through? So that's the balm. I'm gonna quickly, I've got a really nice hand here. I'm gonna quickly line my eyes with the Pat McGrath liquid eyeliner, do a bit of brows with Anastasia, and do a bit of lip gloss with Pat. Okay guys, so I've done my eyes in the Pat McGrath, what is it, Venus Rose or Rose? Rose Venus eyeshadow. That is from the EYEDOLS. This is it with my eyes shut. Hopefully I'm not blinking too much. I probably am. So that is the EYEDOLS eyeshadow. That is a single eyeshadow. I think there are about 9 or 10 of them. They've got purple, they've got blue, they've got green, they've got gold, they've got shimmer, they've got matte, they've got satin, they've got it all. That was, I think, a metallic-y satin? It doesn't say, but it was a metallic-y satin. It was very, very soft in the pan. So soft, so creamy, luxuriously went on my eyes. Oh yes, look at that, Pat McGrath. On my brows, I've got Anastasia, Brow Wiz, and Dip Brow in dark brown. I'm still growing them out. And liner, I use Pat McGrath in black, liquid eyeliner, and mascara, I use Pat McGrath Fetish eyeliner. I don't know why I'm showing it like that. So this is the look. It's very like Jam Goes to Work. But I really like the eyeshadow and I really like the balm. I think it's given me a nice, fresh, glowy look, very 80s. Obviously the hair is very 80s. And also like I lived through the 80s. For the grays. Thank you so much for the grays. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. I don't know when it will be. I don't know what it will be. Oh yeah, it's gonna be Mario, makeup by Mario, tutorial masterclass, what I learned, what I didn't learn, what I forgot. It's very expensive and I've forgotten a lot. Thank God I had a notebook, so yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I mean, what are you waiting for? Hello. Thanks so much guys. I'll see you soon.